La 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 la. No, I'm not gonna do that.
What's up, guys? My name is Benamaj, aka Brandon, and today we are doing some. We're playing Warface. I've already played a couple games, as you can see my name in the bottom right corner. Well, on the Blackwood team, and I'm in the game with my friends Watermelon Bender and
Not on the team with Brandon.
Purple Ninja Purple Smurf. He's in here somewhere. I don't know where he's to. But let's get into the game. So basically, you have 4 classes. You unlock these classes as you level up. You start with Rifleman, then you unlock Sniper, then you unlock Medic, and then you unlock Engineer. Sniper, you can guess Medic. You have a shotgun, and you revive people. And then Engineer, you can like claymores and shit. Okay. Purple, are you in the game yet? Grenades!
Oh, not yet, actually.
Oh, damn it.
Oh, so Watermelon Bender is on the other team.
Yeah, Watermelon Bender is on the other team.
I'm about to be on someone's team right about now. I am
Who's...
on Watermelon!
Jesus Christ, I just shoot something. Oh my god, no.
Yeah, yeah!
No, baby, no.
No, baby, don't go.
I don't like this smoke grenade.
Then don't like the smoke grenade.
Don't lick the smoke grenade. Oh! Ah! Grenade!
Watermelon, come help me out, come help me out.
One sec, I just killed a
Assist
couple
me.
people in the base. Where are you?
Over here.
Wait, are you guys in my spawn?
Is this you?
Oh!
Thank
We're hiding,
you,
come find
Watermelon.
Oh no, I don't want that class, I don't want the class.
That was quick.
This guy just came out, threw a grenade, and ran away. Hey, Smurf.
Damn it, I shouldn't have threw it in there.
Smurf, turn around, Smurf.
Oh, you're so lucky, dude. I just missed your head. By like a centimeter.
Oh, just so you guys know, I don't play the medic to revive people, I play it just to shoot people on shotgun.
Yeah, I think that's the only reason I play medic too.
For you guys wondering who Ninja Purple Smurf is, we met him in Search and Destroy the other day.
Yesterday.
I'm pretty sure everyone here knows. I know Stroza.
Jesus Christ, man! It's a shotgunning frenzy in this one! Shotgunning frenzy!
What the heck was happening there? I was so scared. I thought I died, but my screen went black.
Yeah, that's what happens when you get grenaded.
Right here, Watermelon.
Right here.
Watermelon. Yeah. Oh, wait, hold on. Alright, go Watermelon. No.
Hold on.
Now
Do you want me to do
Wait.
it?
Now. Thank
Here
you.
we go.
My controller goes weird sometimes and it makes me move.
Oh, hey, look, there you guys are.
Controller
Bang!
dropped so many
Bang!
times by Venom
Bang! God damn it!
that I'm surprised my controller doesn't have...
Hey, I'm not the one who has random hand spasms with the controller.
Yeah, but you still throw it.
I don't throw it.
Yeah, you do.
Barely.
I gently toss it. But whatever you do, it like goes like 10 feet in the air and then crashes down to the floor.
Joel, your room's not even 10 feet tall.
You don't... We're in my basement, so...
Yeah, your basement's not 10 feet tall.
Could be.
It's not 10 feet tall.
You don't know that.
Yes, I do.
Prove it.
I'm a wizard. That's all you need to know.
Yeah, it's not. I need to know what is love. Life. Which I know. Shrek.
I got ninja with my. I got purple with my grenade.
I think everybody on our team is dead.
Yeah.
Look at you! Your name is Kazar Chadado!
Behind my ears is gonna bug me so much because it's so itchy.
Kaz Charado. I'm calling you
I'm
Joe.
gonna rip my ears off.
That's not good.
That's not good. Ripping ears off?
I got a pistol kill.
I'm dead.
Vincent Van Gogh did it, so why can't I?
It's you're not Vincent Van Gogh.
But I want to
So
be.
true.
My room just started smelling like apples. It's not like.
Jonathan got mad at me.
Why?
So I told him how I hit the triple headshot.
Oh.
But that's a triple headshot, but the triple collat. And he's like, no, bad.
Watermelon! Watermelon!
Yeah.
Come over here.
Where's over here?
I don't like
Where's
this
over here?
sight on
Somewhere.
Where's over here?
I'm not in spawn. I'm like the. Just keep walking forward. Yeah.
Okay.
Take a right. Yeah. Keep going. Yes. Good job.
Oh, there we are.
Thank you.
Ah!
You get points for doing that.
Furby
Yeah,
Deek.
I know. Not that many, but you do get points.
I don't like the engineer class. The gun's like shoots really fast, but it's like bad.
Yeah, that's true. Damn it.
I'm pulling a Jonathan. I'm just texting while recording.
Don't do that. You mean playing? I hate it when he does that when he's driving me somewhere in GTA.
Yeah.
Well,
Ninja, I just pooped on you. Just thought I'd let you know.
Always like text while he's playing video games and it's like the worst thing ever. And yeah. What did I just do?
Furby Deek.
Oh, grenade!
You like it?
No, get away! Oh, God. Perp!
Did I kill you?
Yes!
Yes! I didn't know who to go for. He was right next to you. So I'm like, eeny, meeny, miny, you!
I spelled squealy wrong again.
Who?
I did.
How do you spell school?
Look at you! Look at you! You're disgusting! And our teammates live there in the corner and doesn't even know what's happening.
At least your frickin' buddy daddy fat stack over here doesn't have to prone every time he shoots.
Hey, he's not my buddy, he kills me a lot.
He's on your team.
I thought it'd be a good idea to try and spawn trap, but it didn't work out too well.
Oh no, no. God damn. I have to get him somehow. I have to get him.
Grenades everywhere.
Who did I kill?
Can you kill people from sliding into them?
Yes. No. That'd be cool though.
I would.
I'm
like-
shooting people, like, multiple times. I'm back. Right. Are you downloading it?
No, I was just going to eat.
Oh.
Seriously? GTA v Noah kill? I'm like, what?
I killed the kid that killed me. Grenade wasn't even near him.
Yeah, I thought he was about to say kill yourself, but...
Child over here. No, get away from me. Get away.
Oh, I don't like that.
Why am I? What's my score? 19 and 15. I'm doing terrible. And then your Ninja Purple Source over there 20 and 9. Okay.
Wait, really? Oh yeah, dude.
I'm gonna go download it right now.
Oh, cool. It takes a little bit. You should have done it while you were eating.
And then. So yeah, if you guys have,
I'm telling you.
if you guys have gold, Xbox Live Gold, it's free this month for August.
What's free this month? This game?
At one point, does it become non-free?
Yes, it does.
This game is like... I thought this game was always free.
No, it's free with gold.
Xbox.
I thought Motocross Madness was free this month.
Xbox. Bing Warface.
Somebody doesn't like using his fingers.
No. I have a keypad. Yeah, and I have a Kinect, so.
That battle though, Joel.
What?
No, if they win at this point, I'm done.
Win.
Alright, we got it.
No! Come back! Come back! Come back! I gotta go my chain kill like I always do. Go, go! God damn it!
Yeah! 2013, dude. Top of the leaderboards twice in a row. Achievement unlocked. Top dog.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like down below.
In any versus match, minimum 6 players.
If you want to see more from me, make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Oh my
this
God,
game is actually so fun to play if you guys get it. I highly recommend it.
If you got 5 points
yeah,
more than me, I
so
wouldn't have gotten that achievement.
Thank you guys for watching, and